Are you looking for the best Ikea mattress? In this video, we will break down the top 6 Ikea mattresses on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
The Matrand is made from a high-density memory foam that molds to the contours of your body, helping you relax and relieve stress and pressure. Specially designed comfort zones give you precise support at crucial areas of the spine, shoulders, and hips. It comes with a removable machine-washable cover made of a cotton and polyester blend of fibers, so cleaning is easy. It is mid-weight for a memory foam mattress, at only 57 pounds, and is 15 inches thick. This is very cushioned, but still offers enough support for the spine, so it doesn't cause pain. Like all memory foam mattresses, it can get hot, but the fabric cover does a good job dispersing heat more efficiently than a memory foam mattress by itself. Moreover, it comes with a 25-year warranty and a 365 trial period. It comes rolled into a package, so you have to open it and give it a few days to expand out to full size. Get all over support and comfort with a resilient foam mattress. The mattress is approved for seating, as the zipper is placed on the bottom. This mattress is approved for children. It has a child-proof zipper without a pull mechanism, which eliminates small parts and prevents children from opening it. Easy to keep clean since you can remove the cover and wash it by machine. Easy to bring home since it is roll-packed. It's packaged airtight, so if you do roll it up to transport it somewhere else, it won't be as sealed tight as when you first get it. But the overall mattress is thin and can roll up easily. It also offers a 25-year limited warranty for customer satisfaction. Sitting halfway a third is the Morgedal full-size foam mattress. It is an 8-inch thick polyurethane foam mattress that is bolstered with a generous layer of soft filling. The high resilience foam of the mattress gives a feeling very close to memory foam that breathes better than memory foam. It also has specially designed comfort zones that relieve pressure at key points in the spine, shoulders, and hips. It also has a removable cover that is 100% machine washable, so cleaning is a breeze. It is pretty thick and cushiony, so those who have back problems may want a softer mattress. However, it is excellent for those who sleep on their sides and stomachs. It is also very durable, which, coupled with the 25-year warranty, means you essentially never have to worry about it wearing down. The Haugesund mattress is created using polyurethane foam and pocket springs. It is ideal for lightweight and smaller sleepers like children who don't require much support. The mattress is only 10 inches thick, and the steel coils are not designed to withstand heavier individuals. This mattress is available in several sizes, and you can choose between firm and medium firm options. Although, in regard to the medium firm mattress, several customers state it is a very firm mattress. It is a great choice if you prefer a firm bed and are looking to keep your costs low. This mattress is hundreds of dollars cheaper than similar products, but it isn't as durable and supportive as its competition. The coil strength and 10-inch design of this mattress makes it ideal for lightweight or smaller individuals. Heavier individuals should stay away, as this mattress does not provide the support they need for their large bodies. Fortunately, this mattress offers a competitive warranty and exchange policy, which are large benefits to this product. The Meistervik is also made with polyfoam in its comfort layer, and has the same density as the Minnesund, 1.7 pounds and a thickness of 4.75 inch. It comes in twin, full and queen sizes to suit a wide variety of customer needs, and has a polyester and rayon padding with a cotton polyester cover. This is an extremely affordable, firm foam mattress that's sure to give you a supportive, restful night's sleep if you're a budget-conscious shopper. Affordable. Slightly thicker than Minnesund. Still won't offer much support durability compared to more expensive options on the market. It offers a 25 years warranty for their customer satisfaction. The Holmsbu pillow top spring mattress is by far Ikea's best mattress with all the bells and whistles. The mattress has a thick layer of gel located in the integrated pillow top. The mattress combines 1 layer of mini pocket springs and 2 layers of pocket springs. This mattress height is 17¾ inches. The pillow top combines 1 layer of 750 mini pocket springs and 1 layer of gel. The layer of gel molds your body and improves blood circulation in your skin and muscles, which enable you to sleep comfortably. Gel-infused foam is similar to traditional memory foam. The difference lies with the length of time it takes the gel to warm up. This feature keeps the mattress cool. The mattress has a layer of mini pocket springs, which are located on the pillow top. The pocket springs contour to the natural body curves to enhance support and comfort. There is a generous layer of soft filling that gives support and comfort. There is no need to turn the mattress. It is one-side use only, and it has a 25 limited warranty.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.